I'm sure you've heard the breaking news. Mega Titan Power are taking battery testing to a whole new level to prove the safety and reliability of their Titan 40 LTO battery, even when the batteries are faced with serious destructive forces. Today, Mega Titan Power fired 3 Chinese-made 7.62mm 54R API incendiary rounds straight into a single Mega Titan LTO battery while having 4 lights connected and drawing 8 amps from the battery. Why? We want to see if this powerhouse of battery technology can withstand the hit, shockwave, incendiary explosion, heat, literally and figuratively. Let's break it down. LTO stands for lithium titanate oxide. It's known for its stability, safety, fast charging, and long cycle life. But can it take the hit from high-velocity incendiary rounds? We set the battery up with a high-speed camera to record the shots and the after effects.
3, 2, 1.
First shot aimed low to the right, on the orange dot. Incendiary round explodes inside the battery, and the battery stays intact and keeps delivering power to the load. A little smoke can be seen from the incendiary round explosion inside the battery.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Second shot. The round aimed low to the left, on the orange dot. The incendiary round explodes deep inside the battery, and incredibly the battery still delivers power to the load. Some smoke from the battery starts to be visible from the incendiary round explosion inside the battery, but the battery holds firm.
Three, 2, 1.
Third shot. The round aimed high on the orange dot to the right of the battery, where there is much less material to contain the incendiary explosion. Bang! Flames! The incendiary round explosion creates a shockwave inside the battery that compromises the top of the battery and blows a hole where the incendiary explosion escapes the battery. But wait, the core of the battery remains intact. No fire and the battery never explodes. Only the incendiary round explodes, and the battery still delivers the 8 amps to the load. So, what's the takeaway? The Mega Titan LTO battery can endure extreme conditions, even when faced with ballistic and other destructive threats, and still deliver power to a load. Impressive, right? Stay tuned to our channel for more impressive tests to prove the incredible resilience and performance of Mega Titan LTO batteries. Hit that subscribe button and keep your curiosity charged. Contact Mega Titan Power for technical and sales assistance on our LTO and other custom battery solutions.